Hello, I am Ankit and I am presenting COVID-19 vaccine management system developed by us in Appian. The global health pandemic caused by COVID-19 has impacted everyone's life, and governments around the world are spending in millions on software to manage vaccine rollout plan. This inspires us to think about how we can use Appian to fulfill this problem. This solution helps customers to check their eligibility and make booking for vaccination. Customer can use web browser or their mobile device to access it. They will receive confirmation in form of email or SMS, along with QR code, which will be used at vaccination center or at immigration. This process has 5 major steps. It starts with registration, followed by eligibility check. If customer is eligible for vaccination, they can schedule an appointment to receive their first and second dose 28 days apart. At end, COVID passport will be generated. This is an overview of business process. After registration, system will check if customer is eligible for vaccination. If the customer is eligible, they will get an option to schedule an appointment. In case of any pre-existing health condition, doctor pre-approval is required before moving forward. If the customer is not eligible, they will be added to the waiting list. I am using following technology stack to build this application, where Appian BPM capability is at core of all. Google API is used to search address, show direction and generate QR code. I am using Twilio to send reminder SMS and DocuSign for doctor to pre-approve patient. And at end, Appian RPA is used to update legacy systems. Now let's move to the demo, which is exciting part of this presentation. Meet Mr. John. He is my virtual neighbor and he would like to get vaccinated. He log into government site and launch Appian form, where he has to enter few basic information about himself. When John enters his full address as well as postcode, Google Address API will kick in and it will show him his full address along with the nearby hospital. Once he selects the hospital which is near to him, Google Map will show him the direction to those hospitals. As our friend John is diabetic, he will select yes for chronic disease and he will enter his doctor email ID for pre-approval before vaccination. He will select no to all other questions as he is not applicable for it. John works for emergency services, so he will select yes for this question and he will select no for all other and he will click on next. He can quickly review the form which he has submitted, and if he is fine with it, he can click on done now. At backend, Appian decision table will kick in. As John is eligible for vaccination, he will get an option to book and slot. He will quickly select date and time and he will click next. He will review his appointment details and click next. John will quickly go through his terms and conditions and accept it. After that, John doctor will receive his request as an email in DocuSign. As he is diabetic, there is no concern of using vaccine. After that, John will receive a confirmation email with QR code on it, which he will be using at vaccination center. Day before his booking, John will also receive a reminder SMS. On appointment day, John will meet Pia. She is a nurse at vaccination center. She will scan John's QR code and load his profile. While reviewing his profile, she will notice that John has not uploaded his ID proof, so she will upload on behalf of him. Pia will continue with vaccination process by ensuring John don't have any COVID symptoms. She will also update vaccine used for him and schedule his next appointment. She will repeat the same process for second dose, but this time vaccine will not be altered and no further appointment is required. After second dose, John COVID passport will be generated, which he will be using at immigration at international check-in. At end, few of the government legacy system is out of sync, so we are harnessing Appian RPA capability to update them using a bot. And for government officials, we have created a dashboard where they can track daily updates. Thanks for watching it till end. I hope COVID pandemic will end soon.